my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys can become a part of the family, because I would love to have you guys here, of course. So today, you guys, as you guys can tell by the title, we will be doing another wig install. So today's video is sponsored by Gorgius. Today we're going to be working with Gorgius, and I have collabed with Gorgius in the past. If you guys have not seen that video, I will have a link in my eye. You guys should definitely go and check out that video. But today, as you guys can see, we will be doing another wig install. So this wig is another curly bang wig, you guys, and I am in love with these wigs. They're so easy to install. So 1, 2, 3 process, and they save your edges. There's no lace, there's no glue, there's no sprays, there's no nothing. Like, these installs are so easy, you guys. Like, you guys are gonna see literally like how easy this wig is. So first things first, what I love about Gorgius is their packaging. Their packaging is just so full of colors. They're so bright, and they're just it's just so beautiful. Like, look at this box, y'all. Like, can we just take a minute? So cute. Of course, you have the wig in here. We're gonna get into that a little later, but as you guys can see, we do have some goodies in here that they do provide. They do give us some wig caps, which are always useful. You can never go wrong with having too many wig caps, so they do provide you with some wig cap. We have some goodies in our little pouch right here: an elastic band, 2 hair clip, bobby pins, an edge brush. I'm so happy they send me edge brushes, you guys, because like I said, you can never have too many wig caps, or you can never have too many edge brushes. So these are definitely come in handy all the time. We have some tweezers. So as you guys can see, first things first, they do provide a satin drawstring bag, which is perfect for storing your wigs, because a lot of times I'll be running out of places to put my wigs. I love when companies provide a satin bag because it keeps your wigs protected and also gives you a place to store your wigs, which is perfect. Also, I'm pretty sure these would be great for traveling as well, so love it. To see, this is another curly banged wig, but you guys, first of all, this color is like a chestnut brown color. It is so beautiful, and the color is just so beautiful. It's a nice beautiful brown color. The curls are always popping on these wigs, which I love. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So here's the construction of the wig, and you guys can see there's no lace. There's 2 combs in the front, there's an elastic band, and then there's a comb in the back. I love how they provide an elastic band in this wig because it just gives you extra security, because like I said, there's no glues or no sprays with this wig, so it's really important to have that extra security, because you know, you don't want your wig flying off, okay? Like, we don't want that. So I really love how they provide an elastic band and all these combs as well. Me personally, I only use the comb in the back of the wig to really secure. If you're a fan of the combs in the front, you do have extra security with these 2 combs right here. Let's put this wig on, y'all, and you guys are gonna see how easy this wig is to just pop on your head and go, y'all. Like, it's 1, 2, 3. Easiest wig ever. Use the elastic band that comes in the wig. It just serves as extra security, making sure your wig is not gonna go nowhere. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig straight out of the box, and you guys can see it is some long pieces here, but we are gonna go in and just cut off some of those pieces to just kind of help me shape my face a little bit more. Like I said, you can wear this wig, you guys, straight out of the box. You don't even need any water or any product. This wig is so easy. It is so convenient. If you guys are always on the go, this wig is for you, for sure. This is literally the wig, you guys, out of the box. Like, can we just take a minute? The curls, I didn't put no product in these curls at all. Like, they're just so popping. Like, look at this. Absolutely no products at all, no water, no nothing. And I love how fluffy it is, because me personally, I'm a big fan of big fluffy hair, so this is giving, you guys. I love it. It is so cute. But like I said, I am gonna cut off some of these bangs right here just to kind of make it a little bit shorter, not too much, because I actually love how this wig looks straight out of the box. Like, let me know in the comments below, like, what it's giving, y'all, because it's giving. Okay, period. I'm gonna cut off some of these pieces in the front, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Went ahead and cut off very little pieces, nothing, like I said, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna show you guys this wig in the wet state and the dry state. I'm gonna wet it just a little bit so you guys can see how it looks in the wet state, because this wig can be worn in the wet state or the dry state, whatever your personal preference is, because I know sometimes with my curly units I do like for it to kind of give the wet look sometimes. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm going to use a little bit of my Even mousse just to kind of help define the curls a little bit more. This is the hair in the wet state, and as you guys can see, it looks good in both the wet state and the dry state. I'm gonna take my blow dryer, and with my blow dryer I do have a detachable piece right here, which I believe they call this a diffuser. Fluff up the hair, so I'm just gonna take my dryer and kind of just guys, this wig even looks cute with some stylish glasses, so I just went ahead and put on some glasses with this hair, you guys, and it just looks so freaking cute, you guys. Like, I am so in love with this wig. Like, can we just take a minute? Like, this looks like my natural hair. That was everything for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys seen how easy this wig was to install. Basically a 1, 2, 3 process. Like I said, there's no lace on this wig, no glue is needed, no spray is needed, absolutely nothing, you guys. Like, the easiest wig ever. I love these wigs so much. They're just so convenient, perfect for those of you who are on the go, or even if you're having a bad hair day, because I know sometimes I be having bad hair days and I really don't know what to do with my hair. These are perfect for those days. Like, I love it. This wig will also be perfect for the summertime because it's not long at all. Also, because there's no glues or no sprays or no adhesive. So in the summertime, you don't have to worry about your lace lifting or none of that, because I know sometimes when you have those frontals on in the summertime, you know, sometimes your lace can be lifting and it'd be a lot of glue and it can get real messy. So this wig will also be great for the summertime because it is short, so you don't have to worry about all that hair being down your back and like making you sweat and all that other stuff. So this wig is just overall a 10 out of 10, you guys. I love it so much. It feels so soft. Like, it doesn't feel like crunchy or dry, giving very much natural hair. It kind of looks like I got like a diva cut type of hairstyle. People probably think this is like my real hair. Like, honestly, this is my real hair. Like, this is not a wig. All the information to this wig will be in my description box down below, you guys, so do not forget to check out my description box. And I also forgot to mention that this wig did come this color. I did not bleach this hair, no dyeing, nothing. Like, it came this color. Curls were this popping. You guys have seen straight out of the box the curls were popping, okay? Period. Coupon code, it will be right here on the screen, and you guys can use my code to get percentage off for your next order. So do not forget to check my description box. If you guys do go ahead and purchase this wig, you will not be disappointed, you guys. Like, this wig is for you. All my socials will be in my description box as well. My Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, so you guys should go and follow me on there so you guys can stay up to date on me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
All the time, I see you in my dreams.